Welcome, my fellow Kimilite. Today I'm going to be teaching us how we're going to be able to solve empirical formula with ease without stress and a easy step-by-step method to do that. So now let's go. If we see a question like this, an organic compound contains 75% of carbon, note it 75% carbon, 12% hydrogen, and 16% oxygen by mass. Sometimes they don't give us one percentage of one of the element there. They will just name the element, but they won't give us the percentage. I will also show us how to solve that. So now they now ask us the empirical formula of this compound is. It's very easy. First of all, let's bring out the compound which was given to us. Now, you first of all let's take C as carbon. We take what next? What's the next compound? Hydrogen. We take hydrogen next. What again? We take oxygen next. Okay, now what do we do from here? We will now bring down their percentage down. Now bring down their percentage. You have 72%, we have 12%, and we have 16%. Okay, now from here, what do? Use their use their atomic mass to divide through. Now, what is the atomic mass of carbon? We have atomic mass of carbon to be 12. We have atomic mass of hydrogen to be 1. We have atomic mass of oxygen to be what? We have atomic mass of oxygen to be 16. Okay, now what next from here? Now we have to divide this thing. Now if we divide through, 16 divided by 16 is 1. 12 divided by 1 will give us 12. And 72 divided by 12, what will it give us? It will give us 6. So we write it down. Now we will divide through and we've gotten these numbers. What do? Now we have to pick the smallest. From these three digits we've gotten here, which one is the smallest? 1, of course, is the smallest. So now we divide each and every one of them by 1. Now, what do we get? 6 divided by 1 is 6. 1 divided by 12 is also 12. And 1 divided by 1 is 1. So now, we have gotten our answer. Now, therefore, this is how this compound should be written. C6H12 and oxygen 1. It's an invisible one, so we don't write it. So you see how we can solve empirical formula with ease and no stress. Just follow the step-by-step method. First of all, we bring out the percentage. Second of all, we divide by the atomic mass. Then after dividing by the atomic mass, we now pick the lowest number and divide it by all of them, and we finally get our answers. It's as easy as that. Now let's try another question to see if we truly know how to solve for the empirical formula. Okay guys, this is the example I was telling you about, that sometimes they will give you compound and give you only 1% for only one of the elements inside. So now let's read together. The empirical formula of an oxide of nitrogen containing 30.4% nitrogen is. Okay, now we're given what? First of all, sometimes, or actually most times, they actually give us the atomic mass of each and every element. So they'll write it like this for you. In case if you are not familiar with them, they'll write it like this for you. Nitrogen is 14. They'll write oxygen to be what? 16. Okay, that's for that. Okay guys, that is that. Then now, what do? Since percentage is over 100 and we've been given only the percentage of nitrogen in this question, what do we now do? We have to extract the percentage of oxygen from the 100. Now, knowing that if the compound only contains what? Oxygen and nitrogen, and we'll be given nitrogen, what do we now do? We'll minus this, subtract this from 100% to give us the percentage of oxygen. So now, let's do it. 100% subtracted, if this 30%.4 subtracted from 100%, what do we get? We will now get that will be 69.6%. Okay, that's correct. That's 69.6%. So now that we've gotten the percentage of, because this is the percentage of oxygen, I will now have the percentage of nitrogen. What do we now do? The normal process, we will bring out the elements. Let's bring out the elements. We have nitrogen to be the first element and oxygen to be the second element. Now, under it, we will now put their percentage. We have the percentage of nitrogen to be 30.4, and we have the percentage of oxygen to be what? 69.6%. Now, the next process after putting the percentage is what? To put the atomic mass. And we're given the atomic mass already. We have the atomic mass of nitrogen to be what? 14. The atomic mass of oxygen to be what? 16. So now, the next thing is to divide through. So now, 14 divided by this, what will it give to us? To give us, first of all, we go to 2.1, okay, yeah, 2.17. This is what it will give to us, 2.17. Yeah, 2.17. Punch your calculator, you will get this, 2.17. Now this will give us 4.35. This is what it will give us, 4.35. Yeah, so give us 4.35. Now, after getting this, what next do? We have to pick the smallest. That's the next step. We have to pick the smallest. So now, what do? We pick 2.17. We pick 2.17. Now we have to divide through. Now, if this go by this, we have 1. If this divide, if 2.17 divide 4.35, we'll have 2. Okay. Now, since we've gotten our answer, now therefore this oxide of nitrogen can therefore be written as this NiO2, nitrogen 4 oxide. Okay, let's move on. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's for that. So thank you for watching this YouTube video.
If you sleep again next time, I'll discipline you. Other people don't get they work, you don't get to sleep,